Welcome to RealPage Maintenance Requests. Today, we'll explore how this essential tool simplifies property management. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of submitting a maintenance request through the RealPage platform. With RealPage, you can easily track the status of your submitted requests, keeping you informed every step of the way. To expedite resolutions, provide detailed information about your issue when submitting a request. Stay updated with RealPage's notification system, which alerts you to any changes on your maintenance requests. Our dedicated maintenance staff work efficiently to resolve issues, ensuring a smooth experience for all residents. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what residents have to say about their experiences with RealPage maintenance requests. Some of the most common requests include plumbing and electrical issues. Understanding how these are prioritized can help you submit requests effectively. Here are some best practices for residents using the RealPage maintenance request system to ensure a smoother process. RealPage enhances the maintenance experience for both residents and property managers, making communication and resolution seamless.